You are given an integer array nums and length n and assume array of k obtained from rotating numbers. Mike when Mike तो चालू है भाई. Am I not audible? Array of k is given an array. We have to obtain the rotating number by k. Positions clockwise. We define the yep. We define the rotation function f on the nums as follows. F of k equals to 0 into array of k minus 1 till n minus 1. Return the maximum value. Is this recursion? F of 0 is like 0 into 4 and it is 1 into 3, 2 into 3, 3 into 6. Yes bro, full stack developer. Why are you deleting the messages, man? It's not something wrong to be an Indian, bro. Are you mocking me because of my accent? Assume an array of k is to be an array obtained by rotating the nums by k position clockwise. We define the rotation f on the num as follows. F into f. How can we do this? Max rotation. भाई साहब गूगल माइक्रोसॉफ्ट बंदे का मतलब ले रखा है इन लोग ने ट्रूपर वाले. डैम भाई. They already have so many big people, I guess. I don't even have that much experience they're asking me. $70 LP, damn. If we had the K, then we could have done the rotation part by doing the swapping thing, but I don't see any K value here. But they're telling us to do by K position. What do they mean by the K position then? One into three is like 3 and 2, 4, 3, 6, 7, 18, 25. How can I approach this problem? We don't even have the K value, and we also need to return, rotate it by K times. How are we supposed to calculate the K? The nums of I can go till 100. Okay. The nums of I can't cross the range of 100, I guess. Okay. We need to know array max and dynamic programming. But dynamic programming, not dynamic. We define the rotation function f on nums as follows. Are they passing the f? Not passing the f. Can we do it by recursion? Once it reaches the end or start, I guess, I don't know. We break. Let us put base condition. But how the nums will be calculated? Nums will be there. Oh, oh. Rearranging in ascending order. Is this about like rearranging in ascending order? Uh, this number here sounds like the loop's index number, I guess. The loop will start from 0 and it will go till next first element. So the first 0 multiplied by 4, the first element, and again the second index will be after 0 is 1. So after here you have 3. So I think it will be like 1 multiplied by 3. Then again same thing repeats until end of the, I mean till end of this thing, and we do that, and same for everything we need to do, and we return the maximum, I guess. Can we do it like that? What is MB? Megabyte? I think this is something similar to the pair, I guess. Can we do it by pairing? I don't know the solution. Let me try. How can I go? Oh, my bad. Oh, I'm sorry. Now I think we will have the first loop. First loop will start from 0 till end of the loop. It will go, and this will keep incrementing until our loop stays. And after that, inside one will be doing this thing, the multiplication part. Let me try. I'm not sure like will it work or not, but still I'm just gonna try now. Yo Nishk, how are you man? काफी दिन बाद आया भाई, कैसे हो, मतलब क्या चल रहा है? Okay, so what was my plan? I was planning to multiply my I index with my j's number, right? So the sum should be, it doesn't matter, right? Like sum should be um, my I index I index into nums of j, I guess. This should give me the sum of the, what do you say that? I index and the nums value. So once we get the value, we can push it inside the max result, I guess. I think max result, I don't know, like can we push it inside the array itself, or like should we do it outside? Since I don't know, like what if it continuously push the values inside? Oh, you have semesters. Good luck, man. Now I think we will have the max value here. So, I mean, the solutions, let us keep it as solution, I guess. solution and let result. Let me explain. Let me explain. I don't know. Like I'm just trying. I'm just trying my own way. Once we get this thing, we have to return the max, right? So we're returning the max. You can go this way, I guess. If my solution of I is greater than my result, then what you do in result, you store the max of solution and the result, I guess. Solution I of as well as on the result. Now we should have the max number possible. If my logic is working, then it should have the max value inside the result. If this is not working, then I have done some mistake, I guess. You are asking about this thing. See here. Um, this is our nums array, right? They have given us 4, 3, 2, 6, and the output is like 26. And here you see, this is our first index, uh, index of I, and this is our first element of the array. And same goes for everything. So think, uh, think, think it as in terms of a double loop, where your row will be iterating outside and other stuffs will be going inside and then just multiplying the result and just storing it inside. I don't know if it will work or not, but let me check once. Okay, we got some issues, I guess. It should be let. System design, I think Gaurav Sen, there is a guy called as Gaurav Sen. He's super good, man. Okay, it worked for the first one, but okay. So I got a wrong solution right now. Like, what is the issue here? I think everything is getting collapsed inside a single thing. Let me print the. We need to maintain the separate thing. Oh, this is okay. This is wrong. This is wrong. The only thing should happen is like only the first thing should have the zero index and others should have the next index, I guess. Something went wrong. Not something, everything went wrong. My index got repeated. How can we prevent this? We are getting 90 and hmm, I only need to multiply with something like this, but we are getting something wrong. What can I do? Can't we just do like keep a counter and keep on decreasing after multiplication happens and reset and at the end once it reaches the next element, I guess. I mean till the end of the element. I think that will cause some issues, I guess. Let me try in some other way. I don't know if counter will go till only one, 2, 3, 4 elements. What if it goes more than that? Oh yeah, counter will be like nums dot length counter my counter. And what we can do is like counter will be nums dot length. Oh, still nums dot length. Mm, Ah man. 24. 24 years old. Turning soon 25 in December, I guess. I have no fucking idea what to do in my life. Can we do it like this? Keep the counter inside itself. Sorry, let counter. It will start from 0. And what we can do is like keep and sum, I suppose. Even though we have to do it in different way, its own way. I mean, this is working in different way. First they did for the 4, and second they did for the 6, and third they did for the second, and at the end they did for the third one. Yo, this is different, bro. Even this solution won't work for this thing. Are they rotating? How did they do this, bro? It goes till n minus 1. This is fine. The, um, we define our rotation function f on nums as follow. Are we supposed to rotate anything? Like we have 4 here, 3 here, 2 here, and 6 here. There is no rotation here. And here we have 6, 4, 6, 4, 3, 2. Oh, whenever my I is getting iterated, then other stuffs will be in the same order. But whenever my I changes, then this will be in the first order, and then other things will come back up this, I guess. But still, if I take 3, then it should be 4 here. But we're getting 2 here, bro. Shall I ask the ChatGPT to explain the question alone? Like I won't copy the answer or anything. Like, I'm just asking about the question. I might be understanding the question wrong. What does rotation means here? You are given an array and take the last element and move it to the front. Oh, we have to only rotate by one step. Even I can't understand, like even though you rotate these elements, they should be giving the same count, right? Anyhow if you do 4 plus 3, and you'll be getting the same number. It doesn't matter if it's in the end or in the start. They are rotating this thing. Okay, I need to write an function to swap these numbers, I guess. I think it is rotate by k steps, I guess. The formula somehow goes like, first we rotate from first index till the end of the array, and the second one will be like the the part we are going to swap, and the third one will be like entire array, I guess. I don't know. It will be like from k till end of the array, but since you're rotating in the end of the array, then end element is the one we are going to swap. I don't think how the rotation will work there. I can't understand. And the last part for the rotation would be like complete rotation of the whole array, I guess. That is how the k rotation works, right? Some kind of formula we have, right? We write a swap function and pass the index. First one will be like first element till end of the array, and second one will be like from what index till end of the array, and third one will be like again like from first index till end, I guess. Will that work or not? But still, I'm confused with this second step. How are we supposed to do that? Can I just slice this and put it in the front? Let me see how many rotations are they doing. For the 6 it went here. Oh damn, it's doing it different way. Initially we have 4, 3, 2, 6, and after first rotation the 6 will come here. In second rotation 2, 6 will come here. In third rotation 3 will come here. Okay, this is basic rotation, right? So let's write the rotation function, I guess. If I write cons, I can't return, right? Let me use function itself. First one will be array, so let pass ARR, and second one would be start index, and third one would be end index. Now what we have to do, in temp we store the array of start, and in array of start we store the array of end, and inside the array of end we store the temp. That's it, the rotation function is done. Now we have to check how can we rotate this thing. Let this thing be. After rotating we need to get the sum, right? These are k rotations. I can do this, but this thing, this formula I can't understand. Like, what is this? Multiply each index of the element with its index, then add up everything. That is what I did, but I got like 90, man. It's crazy number. Around each rotations, I need to calculate the values, I guess. So we have the rotation. Where is rotation? We have the rotate. For rotating k times, we have some formula, I guess. We pass the nums. Oh, we pass the nums first, and start index would be the 0, and end index would be the num start length minus 1, I guess. And the second rotation would be rotate k times. So k will be like 1. Sorry, nums passed k 1, and nums at length minus 1. Again rotate. It should start with 0 and nums at length, I guess. I don't know, I'm making mistake, I guess. Now if I print my nums, if it is rotated, then I think my formula is good to go. After that, we only need to multiply those values and put it inside the result and take the maximum and return it a result, I guess. If I print my nums, everything should be rotated, right? But they're telling me to calculate on each rotation. We don't know whether it will be like only 3 rotations, it can be more than that. But 3 rotations should complete the thing, I guess. K number of times would be like 1. So every time one for loop it will run and change the index again. Then I'm making some mistakes. I can feel that. Nothing happened, so I made some mistake, I guess. Since we are doing from this thing, can I just make it I then? My rotate function is not working. Rotate is working. We got the last rotate, I guess. This is what the last rotate is supposed to be, right? We got the last rotate. 6-4, right? No, this is wrong. It should be 3264. I made some mistake in rotating, I guess. How can I fix this? My rotate function is entirely wrong. Bro, what the fuck? My laptop is getting too heated. Shall I decrease the brightness? It's getting too much heat. Hot, bro. Rotation function is proper, I guess. Like start and end. Oh, there is no loop. Okay, there is no loop here. Fuck. While my start is less than end, then only it will do right. And we have to even increment and decrement things, I guess. Start also will become plus plus and end will go till end, so the loop ends. How do stop, right? Okay, something happened. Okay, I got the second value, I guess. No, this is wrong. 2643 should be, it is for the second one. Oh, now as we have correct loop and everything, this should be one since we are moving from that thing, and this should be from k till minus 1, I guess. But I can't do k minus 1 since I only have like I do like 1 itself. Since I can't do k minus 1, shall I just maintain a k? K will be like 1 only every time. If I do k minus 1, then it will throw me an index out of error, I guess. I think it will go out of the bound. This is the formula for rotating the k times, for rotating an array k times. I think we have to now calculate for each values. But how are we supposed to calculate for each value right now? Can we just pass the what do you say that? There is no rotation happening right now. Interesting. It is 0 and it will go till there and comes out length and k will be like 1. I think it's because of k minus 1 it's not working. I don't know what the hell is wrong, bro. Ah man, how can I solve this? Do I need to really know the DP to solve this thing? Or like brute force is possible here? I don't know if brute force is possible or not. I think people might have solved the question already. Oh, nobody's online. How can I do this? I, so am I supposed to apply this formula somewhere? Oh, this is wrong, man. This will only work for the k times rotation, but this is different thing. Assume array of k array assume arr of k to be an array obtained by rotating nums by k positions clockwise. We define the rotation function f on nums as follows. I think I need to frame this formula. Once I frame the formula, I think we will get the answer. But I'm not able to understand like how am I supposed to frame the formula. We'll have the f here. Let me reset everything. For iterating on the array, we need at least one loop, right? Let me iterate on the loop array, I mean array first. Now we are normally iterating on the array, and now we have to form the formula, I guess. How is this formula working? This seems like the I index, I guess, and this is like element of the array. Let us try once. So let k will be. We don't even need the k, I guess. Uh, sum plus equals to I into nums of I. This is how they're forming the formula, I guess. This is what I can understand from this thing: 0, 1, and 2, and so on till end of the array. But are we supposed to add or like multiply? Since we are multiplying here, it will multiply the thing and add it in the answer, I guess. Let us console now what we are getting. See here we're getting what we're supposed to get, man. 3, 4, 18, 25. We are getting what we're supposed to get. But if we add all this together, then we get 25, I guess. How will you do for the next one? I think this formula would help us there, but I don't know how to form this formula. We're getting only 18. How is 18 coming, bro? How did he even get 25 then? They're supposed to go 25, right? There is a 0 here and 3 here, 4 here and 18 here, it's 25. Why are you not even getting 25? Maybe the sum is getting reset. Shall I put it outside? Ah, here we're getting 25 now. Oh, from where did we get 7? 7 was not supposed to be here, man. We got the 25. Now what we need to do is like do the same for other elements. What will happen on the first iteration? It will start from normal thing, and from the next iteration 6 becomes 1, and after that it will rotate. After that it will go, right? Then 6 will go, then after that this will go. Ah, bruh, literally confusing me. We only need to form the formula now. I think we got the sum what we are supposed to get. Now we only have to figure out how we can get for the other things. Do you guys have any idea like how can I do this? Like I'm not able to understand. I never did something like this, bro. This is my first time doing some problem like this. I literally can't understand like what I'm supposed to do. Okay, this is not working for me. So I'll ask for A for some hints. Yeah, bro, I think I need to learn more. Your code correctly computes F0. Good start. Now you might be thinking, okay, I will rotate the array every time and compute F. That works. How can I even do like that? But I did not even do O of n square, right? I just did in O of n. Oh, you're saying I can. Okay. Now I get what the fuck you're trying to say, bro. So it's saying this thing, right? Even though if I need to rotate the array again, like that would be the challenge, I guess. Um, Compute this one. Total sum equals to sum of element. This will be helpful. Core idea without formula. You can adjust the previous result using total sum. The element moved from end to front. Pop pop. Oh, you're talking about unshift. Yeah, I can do. Can't I just do it like this? Uh, every time you calculate the sum, but plus equals to nums of I, and after doing this, we need to shift the element, right? Let shifted array would be like from what we are shifting, we are unshift, right? Shift off, right? Unshift is used, and what we are shifting, we are shifting basically the last index, I guess. We're not only shifting the last index, we're shifting more index, I guess. Should it be nums length minus 1? Let me see what happens. We are not even getting the output, I guess. Something is wrong. But the unshift should work, man. I think we can use the splice operator as you're saying, like splice operator. Splicing downstairs. Is that slice? Uh, mm, this is used to extract the thing from the array. We need to remove, right? Then splice is only the one thing. And splicing from 1 to 2. This is first index and this will go. Can't I just splice the last index? Even if I splice the last index, we have to splice everything every time and add it in the front again. What we can do is like, can I do it like this? Mm, num shall be nums equals to nums of splice. We are splicing the last index alone. Num dot length minus 1 till num dot length minus 1. So it will be taking the last index only, yes. Let me print and see if we are getting 6. Yes, we are getting the 6. Now what we can do is like nums dot shift. We have something called a shift to add it in the front, I guess. Oh, sorry, unshift. We need to do unshift. Add at start. Oh, yes, unshift. Add one or more elements at the beginning. Okay. Now we have to, what we can do is like, we can do unshift of, if we pass nums here, then it should give us 6, 4, 3, 2, I guess. If it is correct, then it should be giving. Oh shit, something wrong happened, bro. We were supposed to only get the value, man. Should it be like this? I think splice index should be in different thing. Let us store in the splice one. Maybe that's how it's getting mistaken, I guess. We have the value, but we only needed the value. Here we go, bro. Here we go, let's go. We were able to splice that thing. Now we only have to calculate the something. Let me ask for some hints since we have splice already. How are we able to splice? But this is not rotating the element by k steps. This is different question, I guess. Martin. Since even rotating giving us the right element or whatever, but still we shouldn't do it like this. We only need to apply this formula, man. I am not able to frame the formula. How many minutes I have been doing this question? Past an hour I was doing this question, but I'm still fucking bro. I never did pattern like this, bro. So I'm not able to recognize how should I approach this thing. Can't even guess anything. Literally, my brain is like blank right What the hell is this? Oh fuck! What is this F of A? So this is the formula. This thing. Shit, bro. I couldn't come up with a formula. I think we did till here. Everything was right, I guess. Taking the sum and everything. After that, what it's doing is taking a variable f0 and assigning a 0, and here is appending and again multiplying with the I. I don't know what the fuck is doing, but still. And this formula is entirely doing the other task, I guess. This is the formula. From here, like max will be f0 at first, and once it is greater than the current one, then it will just put it in. Bro, I just need to figure out this formula, man. What the fuck? I couldn't figure out the formula. Like, I'm just skipping this question since I'm not going to copy and paste the solution. Since you know how the formula works. Let's reset this thing. Move to our normal questions, what we are supposed to do. Very easy one and other mediums. Where are the stacks and queues? I need to learn stacks and queues. Memorization. What is monotonic stack? Oh, we have 73 questions. Damn. I can't do the hard one, bro. Oh, let's go with the easy one first. Final price with the special discount in stock. I hope I can do this. You are given an integer array prices, ith item in the shop. There is special discount in item in shop. If you buy ith item, you will receive discount equivalent to the price of j, where j is minimum index such that j is greater than I and prices is less than equals to I. Otherwise, you will not receive any discount at all. Return the answer where array of I is final price you will pay for the ith item in the shop you are ordering. The second element is 6 and you will receive the equivalent to the 6 floor and final price for 3 and 4 why you don't receive any discount at all. Special discount for the items in the shop if you buy the ith item you will receive a discount equivalent to the price J where, where J is the minimum index such that J is greater than I and price of J is less than equals to price of I, otherwise you will not receive any discount at all. If a price of J, if a price of I is 8, you will receive discount equivalent to the price of 1. Item price is 4, you will receive discount equivalent to the wait 0, 1, 2. 2 should be this. क्या ही कर सकते हैं यार, कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा है। जी ब्रो, कुछ नहीं हो सकता। क्या फिक्स कर सकते हैं आप? डिस्काउंट 0 पर। लोल, आई किया था क्या? ओ, स्क्वायर है भाई, ऑप्टिमाइज करनी पड़ी। ऑप्टिमाइज कैसे करें? ये क्या फॉर्मूला लगाया? Stack will be there, result will be prices. Okay, prices will be whenever my stack length is there, the prices are stacked by the for the last element, top element. So this is prices of stacks of top element greater than this price of what is this? We wrote in such a small way. Why it complicated? Oh, this is what I did. Using stack optimized process the array with the stack to efficiency find the first smaller equivalent element space. Process the array with the stack to efficiency first smaller or equal element to for each place. The stack keeps the track of indices in decreasing order. I don't know how to use monotonic. Okay, this part might be a discount part, I guess. This seems easy, man. Because you have to take all the prices, result, and everything. Copy of it, basically. Stack run till price end, and stack length should be greater than this. And the prices of stack of top element, if top element is greater than prices of I, then you pop index. There is a city store prices of the discount prices. And after that, we are pushing I. Why are you pushing I here? What the fuck? In very intuitive, once you see the pattern, what is problem doing? For each prices, find the next item to the right that is smaller or equal. So, can't we do it with a two pointer? But two pointer requires sorted array. Right? For 8, 4 is smaller. For small 4, 6 is not smaller. Skip. For 4, 2 is smaller. For 6, 2 is smaller. So it work. For 2, 3 is not smaller. So no discount. So there is nothing here. Okay, now I understand. Monotonic stack I didn't understand. Can anyone explain what the fuck is monotonic stack? We go left, right. This part I understood, but this is like we're checking if stack is length is greater than 0 and prices of stack contain my top which is greater than the prices of I. For I0 price will be 8, stack 0 for price. So after 8, 4 is smaller, so subtract this, we get 4, so 4 will be stored and discount will be 4. Now we push it inside. Push 1. What does 1 does? I don't understand. You can just push the result right. Do we have something similar to this? The problem asks us to reduce the price of each item's first smaller and equal price to it. This is solved by computing each item's the subsequent element in the array. Nested loop can be helped to identify the first valid prices in the discount array. We just manipulated the price array itself. I don't even need the result array then. I can just manipulate the price array. So if you remove this thing, eliminate any discount is also not. How will this work? Like they are not even storing any discount on it. J plus plus is happening. In our solution we had an extra array I guess. Here they're going from I to this thing and this is not even this part is happening. Only if my price of J is lesser than I then we can do this solution work. As expected man. How the hell nobody commented here? Did I make any mistake? This approach is not supposed to work. It should be equal here. I didn't assign it back to that thing. Okay, it's working. How much percentage does it get? Same thing. Same. 1 milliseconds and 1 millisecond. Same. 57 and 54. Okay. Okay, I can even do without the array itself. Okay. So to see, we're just manipulating directly the prices array itself. We have some similar questions. Okay, let's go to the different question. I think we solved this too. We had only two easy questions in this, bro. What the fuck? I've already solved this. What is this? I didn't solve, right? Lexicographically, what? Lexicographically. A string A is lexicographically smaller than string B. If first position A and B differs in string A has letters that appears earlier in the alphabet, then corresponding letters B in first minimum of B character do not differ, then don't then the shorter string is lexicographically smaller. What the fuck? I literally didn't understand any shit. They have given us the what we can focus is on removing the duplicates along the fuck, fuck this lexicographically and bullshits. You can just focus on dealing with the what do you say that? Uh, can I just make a set? Shouldn't this give the right answer? I don't think it would be that easy. It should be set. Oh, we are supposed to return the value, right? Can't I just use it like this? Why is this not getting added in the set? Let me think for this thing. I'll just return ABC for now. I'm just waiting for sample right now. And in the end, I'm just going to print the set. Let me see if the values are present or not. Are we supposed to sort this? Okay, let us use a stack then. If stack.has s of I, then continue. Not continue form. Else stack.push since stack will be array, right? So we need to join it again back. How do I know like if my stack has on stack has include or same array function. Ah, it's taking so much time. I think it's gone. What happened? Oh, if my stack includes s of I, then you pop, otherwise you push. What the fuck? Damn. Can't I just do stack on? Oh, it started pushing everything. Hash map. But this problem is monotonic stack, so I'm just trying to solve it with stack. I think I'm making mistakes somewhere. First we have the stack, and if this is equal, then only pop. Otherwise, we push this value. Problem is wrong if it can't be solved with hash map. So no, bro, this is hard. Shouldn't be this stack or length minus one top element is equal to this or something. We are pretty close enough, I guess. We have the answer, but many items are getting pushed. What happens if you push it inside and pop it? Every duplicate element should be there. Can't I even solve it like this? ED. Character index? I even tried with this set. Set also didn't work out. Let me try again with the set. Set should remove the two, I guess. Oh, you can use the set, and at the end you can just uh, what do you say that? Swap everything. Map? What map? I thought of solving the stack questions inside enormous stacks. It doesn't matter since it will have only one value. We don't even need to check if it already has one. Even though if I push, then it will remove the duplicates and automatically, I guess. So the console of the set now we will have the set value. Roadmap. Oh, I am following topic wise. What is built-in time complexity? O of one, right? Like if it O of no O of n for creating whole set first one time, and after that for accessing every time we only need O of what do we say that? O of one, I guess. How they are even sorting this thing? What does this mean? Sorting I have done. Are they telling me to do it in ascending order? But this is not in ascending order, man. This is entirely different. B was supposed to be here, right then. If this is sorting, getting sorted. How D is in the middle? A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D, right? If I'm taking it in set, then this is the problem. I'm getting this with other. First we take C, B, A. C is already there, so D will come. If it is alphabetic, then why we have this? Eh? Man, I can't understand. If I sort, then I will get this thing only. Eh? So if I just return like this, will this give me the answer? This part I can't understand. Like, no sorting, then if I don't do sorting, then I won't get the answer again. Ascending, if it is in ascending order, then why B is in the end? Ascending order should be, B should be here, right? Use brain. I don't have all. Check this call. Where did you share, bro? There is nothing in Discord, man. Did you share somewhere else? The internet is. What is this? A C B A C D C B. Why didn't you take C B? C B is also unique. Even CB is unique, right? Why do you didn't take that? Oh, should I do it in different way now? Then now I understand. Will this work, Wrench? Will my solution work now? What the fuck? Why is the YouTube chat not coming back? Hmm. लॉजिक समझ नहीं आ रहा कैसे करूँ ये सोच रहा हूँ चलो ब्रेन ब्लैंक हो गया एक्सियोग्राफिकली स्टार्ट स्टार्ट will it always contain the A and B and whatever they're telling it can be different test condition as well as 0 so why not sorting sorting not storage. If I sort then